Making a difference in people's life is something that's very important to me.
If you're helping the society, you're helping the next generation, you're bringing a change. And change is always what makes a country move forward.
The more we grow, the more we help other people.
I'm so proud to be part of the people who are changing and helping the world.
All of us have a responsibility and an opportunity to engage meaningfully.
It's the adventure of a lifetime. It feels amazing to see the impact that you can have.
We've accomplished a lot, but we're not done yet. This is just the beginning.
$120 million Pakistanis live below the poverty line. 90% of the country is deprived of healthcare. People are falling sick, they're not getting proper treatment. Doctors is a company created for those female doctors who unfortunately after marriage or having children fall out of the workforce. We connect them in communities that are deprived of healthcare by nurse-assisted video consultation. So a doctor, being in the comfort of her house, provide teleconsultation to people who are unable to reach a doctor. Then a patient gets treated in my clinic, and when a doctor gets job, and when a nurse gets empowered in a community. These three things increase my passion every day.
The World Bank estimates that 2 billion people worldwide lack any form of formal identification. If you're a health worker and there's a child in front of you who's got no birth certificate, no medical records, how do you know which care they've received in the past, which care they still need? Simprints works by equipping frontline workers for medical or humanitarian organizations with mobile biometric hardware that can take fingerprints, enabling you to give the best care or the best service possible. The thing we want to make sure is that identity is never the reason someone misses a vaccination, or can't get access to a microfinance loan, or doesn't have the opportunity for education. And if we can solve that problem, we can do a better job in the fight against global poverty.
We're going to have to feed a population of 9 billion people by 2050. With dwindling resources, we need to do more with less. By knowing what the weather is going to be with our unique weather forecast for the tropics, we are then able to help farmers to double their yields. Farmers get a daily text message that tells them how the weather is going to be that day and the next day. It gives me a great deal of satisfaction to work with farmers and to be able to change their lives to something better.
In my city, 6,300 tons per day of garbage are sending to landfill. 650 are plastic and we recycle just 100. Some countries in Latin America, 46% people don't have a home. We take the plastic of the streets, crush it, mix it, and melt this material to fill the mold and get the bricks like a Lego. We are trying to solve the negative impact of all kinds of plastics in the environment, and the community can also build their own houses. We are very proud, so many people, with trying to solve the environmental problems. We are helping people to solve social problems too.
3.5 billion people worldwide suffer from iron deficiency and iron deficiency anemia. In Cambodia, nearly half the population suffers from this preventable condition. And we plan on tackling it head-on using this simple, effective solution, the Lucky Iron Fish. All you have to do is drop it in the pot and cook with it. When used daily, the Lucky Iron Fish can provide 75% of your daily required iron intake. We produce the fish locally, we hire locals to do our distribution and sales, and our fish and packaging is actually made from recycled material as well. We will not rest until iron deficiency is a thing of the past.
90% of the world's cacao is produced by 6 million smallholder farming families, and they are living on less than $2 a day. If we don't help to make sure farmers make more money, then we are at risk of losing the cacao supply chain. Uncommon cacao directly connects smallholder farmers to premium markets, empowering farmers to negotiate for better prices, actually incentivizing them to produce more cacao of better quality, and improving farmer livelihoods. If we want to see a world in which we can all feel good about eating chocolate, the farmers have to feel good too.
Nigeria is said to be #1 largest producer of cassava in the world. Women in Nigeria contribute 70% of the total agricultural labor. These women only earn 17% of the total income, which is small. The manual process involved in processing cassava is inefficient, it's time-consuming, it's back-breaking. Using our integrated mechanized process, these women are able to cut down on their time spent. They're able to save more money, they're able to go to market more and increase their income. I'm very proud of the fact that I can bring this service to these women farmers that change their life.
So at the moment we're in the middle of this accelerator process.
What's the return on investment?
The advice and the exposure that these people have, we lack it. And there's so much to learn, there's so much to absorb, and there's so much to take back.
Meeting the other finalists has been incredibly inspiring.
I can tell this is the beginning of something really great for all of us.
I'm an impact entrepreneur, and I'm delighted to be here today.
A small-scale farmer cannot afford to buy new things.
I urge you to join me in creating a Pakistan, in creating a world where every person has access to quality primary healthcare. Thank you.
I think it went well. I mean, it's scary being up there, but
Relieved.
After that, I think we are opening the champagne bottles.